Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog and happy Thursday. Anyway, a little bit while I need to pick up the kids because the school is done 4 o'clock and almost 4 already. Anyway, I just want to greet you and ask you how are you everyone. I hope your day will be smooth. Always strong and healthy, cannot facing big problem, although problem is part of our life. While still alive, the problem is always there. Anyway, almost weekend because today is Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday already. Saturday is weekend. Saturday is my day off, but I'm always busy also in church. I spend my free time in church as a volunteer in our church. I'm serving in church. I'm serving God through our church every mission. Anyway, I just want to share about my work. My contract here at my work is almost done. Next month, it will finish my 2 years contract here. And thanks God because my employer is willing to renew my contract, because this time it's hard to find a new work. If you can find new work, the offer salary is very low. The offer salary, I tried to apply the offer salary, the offer to me is my salary 10 years ago. And I hope and pray that when they renew my contract, I pray that they're gonna give me a salary increase and upgrade my insurance, because I'm struggling with my insurance. My insurance is very low basic, and all the hospital here in Abu Dhabi not accepting my insurance. Only a small clinic. In the medicine also, almost all the pharmacy I went to buy my medicine, they would accept my insurance. That's why instead of using my insurance, I buy my medicine from my own money, from my own pocket, because the insurance, all the pharmacy not accepting my insurance, because my insurance is very cheap, the very low benefits. And I already request the agency, because I'm under agency MedCC, if I can upgrade my insurance, how much it costs, because even buy medicine I'm struggling because all the pharmacy not accepting it. Instead of struggling where to find my medicine, where to buy, I use my own money to buy my medicine, because they won't, all the pharmacy I went, they won't accept my insurance anyway. That's why I'm using my own money instead of forcing the pharmacy to accept my insurance. And I also complain about it in the agency, why I'm struggling even buy my medicine, and also all the hospital here is not accepting my insurance. And I asked them if I can upgrade my insurance, how much it costs. Anyway guys, I'm still praying and hoping that I can have increment and upgrade my insurance benefits for my insurance, health insurance, because that's an important, especially if you are 40 and above, while you are age getting old, all the different sickness is coming out to your body. Anyway, that's all guys. Have a nice day and enjoy your day. I hope you have a great weekend ahead, because it's almost weekend. Bye. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.